Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. So in this video we're going to be reviewing Adams Polish's wheel cleaner. So this wheel cleaner is their new formula. It's not supposed to smell as bad as the original wheel cleaner. As you can see, it is a different color. We are going to be testing out how it smells when you're using it. I don't have any of the old wheel cleaner to compare it to, but the old wheel cleaner, the way I can say that the way it smelled was like a fruity skunk. So like a skunk that's been ran over on the road. You have some kind of a fruit air freshener in your car and you drive by and you have those two smells mixed. It worked extremely well, but it did smell, it had a very, very heavy odor smell to it, but it did work really, really well. So let's go ahead and read on the bottle of Adams Wheel Cleaner. Adams Wheel Cleaner is the most high-performance wheel cleaner you've ever tried. It's a pH-neutral formula that specifically targets iron and metallic particles left behind by today's modern brakes. So that is what they're saying about their wheel cleaner. It says that it is safe on painted, powder-coated, clear-coated, and chrome wheels. Thick, gel-like viscosity clings to wheels for excellent cleaning power, dissolves brake dust, road grime, and dirt. Color changes to purple as it's working. So I do know that they said that this is a thicker formula, and as you can see, this stuff is very thick. It doesn't just keep sloshing around, so it is supposed to cling better to the wheels than the original formula. So we will be testing out if it clings better, what I think, smell, and how it works. We have some really dirty wheels that I will be showing you guys that we'll be using it on. Their instructions for this, they say, clean one wheel at a time. Rinse wheel with a powerful blast from a hose. Spray wheel surface liberally with Adams Wheel Cleaner. As the wheel cleaner begins to change color, agitate with Adams Wheel Brush. Be sure to use Adams Turbo Stick or Wheel Woolly on the inside barrels of the wheel. I'll show you these wheels. I'm not going to be able to get my Wheel Woolly in there to get the barrels. You'll see that when I go to show you. Rinse thoroughly after cleaning each wheel. Do not let Adams Wheel Cleaner fully dry onto any surface of the wheel. Dry wheels with Adams Master Blaster or Sidekick. Well, I don't have a Master Blaster or a Sidekick. We will just dry the wheels as normal. But this is what we're reviewing. Let's get over to the wheels on this car here. I will show you what they look like, why I can't really get a wheel woolly in them, and let's do the review of the Adams Wheel Cleaner. So here are the front wheels. Like I was saying, it's going to be really hard to get a wheel woolly in here because these spokes are very close and there is a lot of them. But these wheels are extremely dirty, and I'll bring you guys in between the spokes, as you can see. And when you wipe it, I mean, they're got a lot of brake dust and grime on them. They are extremely nasty. So we're going to see how this stuff clings. The barrels have never been washed or taken care of, so we're not going to worry about the barrels on these wheels. We're just going to worry about the outside of them and getting all this nasty junk cleaned up off them. We're going to see how the stuff clings, how it works, how it smells, and all that good stuff. So we will rinse them down. We'll do this side. The back ones aren't as bad. Here is the back one. They are a drum brake on the back. They're not a disc. I'll use my middle finger because this one is already dirty, but as you can see, they are dirty, but they are not got the brake dust on them like the front ones do because of having the drum brake on the rear and the disc brake on the front. But let's go ahead, get the hose and get everything we need and see how the new Adams Wheel Cleaner works. So I've got my bucket just filled up with water. I'm going to use some Eco All-Purpose Cleaner just for the tires. I'm going to try that out. The video's not about that. We'll be using the Adams Wheel Cleaner. So this is the front passenger side tire. So I'm going to go ahead, spray it down, rinse it off, and we will see how this wheel cleaner works. Got to get it primed up. I will say it is definitely a lot thicker. I'll bring you guys in so you can see this color change. This stuff is very thick. You can see it just clinging. It is starting to turn purple all around the wheel, right in there. So the stuff is changing color. It is very thick. The smell is not as bad as the original wheel cleaner. It still has a little bit of an odor, but it is not like the original wheel cleaner. I will be using the Adams Polishes red soft bristle wheel brush. That's what we'll be scrubbing the wheel down with. I'm going to let this stuff keep dwelling. As you can see, it is doing an extremely good job attacking those metal particles that are in this wheel. It is turning purple. So it is definitely working and doing its job. Look at the purple up in here. This stuff is attacking it like crazy. I'll get you guys back on the tripod. I'll get the brush out after I let it dwell just for a little bit, probably 1 to 2 minutes, and then we will scrub this down and rinse it off and see how clean the wheel is once we get it rinsed down. Okay, so it's been sitting on there dwelling. As you can see, it is turning purple a lot. So we're going to go ahead and get the brush out, agitate it, scrub it down, and rinse it off. I'll be curious to see how much purple stuff comes out of these wheels. Let's go ahead and get this thing scrubbed down. Alright, so you can see that it is scrubbed down. It's turned to a very pinkish purple kind of foam. Let's go ahead and rinse this thing down. So as you can see, a lot of junk and dirt came off of that. I'm going to go ahead and dry this wheel and show you guys the end result with this front wheel. We'll do the back one real quick just to show you the difference between disc brake and drum brake, but let me go ahead and get a towel out and dry this thing. We got the wheel all rinsed down. I'm going to go ahead and dry it. So the rim is completely dried off now. As you guys can see, this thing is extremely clean. There's not any residue left over. It has done an extremely good job of tackling all that brake dust, metal particles, road grime, and cleaning this up. I am super happy with the outcome of it. That wheel is a lot cleaner looking and very easy to use wheel cleaner. I'm just going to hop to the back wheel real quick, show you guys that one. We won't go as in depth in that. A lot of that will be sped up, and then we'll get into my thoughts on the Adams Polishes new wheel cleaner. So as you guys can see, this has been sitting on here dwelling for quite a while. We are getting a few spots that has purple. Definitely not like the front wheel. This is probably just stuff that's been kicked up off the road onto this back wheel. It definitely does not have the purple as the front, but like I said, it's because it's got a drum brake, not a disc brake, so you don't have all that brake dust exposed to this wheel. It's a little more contained. We're going to go ahead and get the brush out, scrub this down, rinse it down. I just wanted to show you guys that it is still turning purple on this back wheel, just not as much. I still can't get over how great this stuff clings. It just hangs on there. It doesn't just run off. And the cleaning power of this stuff, to me, is 2 thumbs up. Really, really awesome. Let's go ahead and get this thing scrubbed down and rinsed up. So as you can see, this wheel is extremely clean, just like the front one. It's turned out really nice. I'm gonna get the rest of the wheels cleaned up. I'll show them all to you and give you my final thoughts. All right, so you guys have saw, this is the front passenger wheel that we cleaned on camera. Turned out extremely nice. Here's the back one on the passenger side. Back one on the driver's side. And the front one on the driver's side. Like I said, these wheels are extremely clean. They were very dirty. It had no problem cleaning it up. All right, so you guys saw, that is the Adams Polishes wheel cleaner. This is their new formula. So my thoughts on this. The cleaning power of this is unreal. I cannot believe how great it clings to the wheel. Doesn't just run off. I also like how much this suds up, foams up as you're scrubbing and agitating it. Does foam really help clean? That's a controversy there, but I really like how much this stuff foams up while you're agitating it and cleaning the wheel. As you can see, that is roughly how much I've used. I've used maybe not even a quarter of the bottle. The smell is definitely not as bad as the original wheel cleaner. It works just as good as the original wheel cleaner, if not a little bit better. This stuff works awesome. It was attacking that brake dust, breaking it down, turning it purple, all the metal contaminants in the wheel, just breaking it all down. I am really happy with this. This is not a sponsored video by Adams. This is a new product that I bought with my own money to try out, do a review video for you guys so you can see how it works. I am very happy with it. I will be purchasing this, I guarantee, in a gallon, because one bottle is not going to be enough for me. I like to keep my wheels as clean as possible. They can be really hard to keep clean. With this product, they're not going to be hard to keep clean or to clean up. This is definitely a 2 thumbs up product. I recommend it to anyone. You will not be disappointed with this wheel cleaner. It does a fantastic job of cleaning the wheels with ease of use and low odor. And I just really, honestly, as always, with some of these products I've used, I cannot say enough good stuff about it. This stuff does work extremely well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the Adams Polishes wheel cleaner. Like I said, highly recommend this product. You saw how great it did on this car. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know if you have tried their new wheel cleaner. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I appreciate all your support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps the video out, helps the channel out, and I appreciate that tremendously. But thank you guys so much for stopping in and checking out this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.